Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Count. We are going in Five Below to look at their planners, calendars, journals, wall decor, all of that good stuff to start our new year off right. So let's go in here and let's check out what's doing. And hey guys, don't forget to check out Burlington and Michael's for planners, journals, wall decor, okay? It's really good and it's well worth it, guys. Let's go. Check this out, guys. They got comforters in here. It's for $10. Okay, I like the way they're going with their stuff now. They got comforters. They got a gray one, this blue and white one, and then they got this one. Look at that. Full and queen. Full and queen. I haven't saw no king, but these are all full and queens, and they $10. And the weighted blankets are back for $10, 5 pounds. They $10. My kids love them, and they are sleeping better with them. They got a step platform out for $5. That's nice thing. Different workout clothes for how much is these? These are $5. Oh, that's cute. Different ones. I like all of these. I like both of them. Then they got the pants for $5. They got some nice new fans in here, huh? All of the yoga robes. Oh, let me see. Okay. Yes. Plain. That's actually black. It looked green on TV, on the video. What else is wrong with this here is you put it inside your computer. USB, drop your oil on it, and it has a smell to it. That's nice. So I might grab one of these. I think I'm gonna grab one. Let me see. Let me grab the purple one. No, I'd grab this green one right here. Okay. All of the yoga stuff. They got yoga bags. They got yoga mats. Okay, what's that? That sound breeze. They got water bottles, nice and straight, blaze green, pink. Now that everybody at home, they doing all kind of sketching books, and they still wrap, thank God. The sketching books are all wrapped up. And what's this called? A booty toner. Okay. Okay, here's a scale. It's a light digital body scale, and it's $5. I got a little thin one like that. It works good. A twist and fit board. Okay, I don't know what that does. Massage balls, hand massage balls. Oh, I bet those feel so good. They feel good just me touching them. Yoga towels. Oh, they do feel weird. Okay. And they got all those different colors right there. They do have like different color pajamas. Well, these are jogging pants, but they look like pajamas to me, so that's probably the category I put them in. They got Crocs, hats. So we're looking at Five Below. They got some great finds up in here, guys. I love it. Guys, let me tell you how I discovered Five Below. Funny story. You see this dress? I was out of town, and I swear it was this exact same dress. It's not that cute, but it's worth, you could wear it because you ain't got none. I ended up, like, my bag got left at the hotel. So I had to grab something really quick. So I ran in this store, Five Below, which I had never saw before, and grabbed the dress. And this was the dress I grabbed, that green one. So that's how I discovered Five Below, from needing to go in here. And that's why I was like, wow, they need to put some stores like that in Illinois. And then I discovered they started putting them everywhere. Like, look, remember these Viking shorts, guys? Oh, we used to think we was the bomb in those. Y'all don't know that. Them young kids don't know that. But y'all, people my age do. That's what I love. They got an array of t-shirts. You could pick any t-shirt you want for $5. My kids come here and rack up. Okay, here's the wall decors you could get. Here, look, they go on a wall somewhere. It's a little wall decor. A room shelf. Here's the one that's shaped like the V. The corner shelf, which I like. I love this one right here. The woven shelf. Now this goes in a bathroom to me, and I like that because it looks good. I'm gonna grab 2 of those because I am going to put those in. Okay, and then they got all of these. This say stay home a while. I almost dropped that guy. This say stay home a while. That's pretty because you can put different stuff in it. And then you got all the little rugs you want. All of those. What about all the fluffy pillows? See, this is when you got to start racking up for Christmas right here, right? All the fluffy pillows, all the pillows. Then they brought out all the pet pillows, all of this stuff. See that? All the pet pillows you could use. You guys, I thought this was kids' clothes. They was like, them dog clothes. I said, they are? It's like, yeah, okay. So I didn't know that. So this is, they got a whole, they dedicate a lot to the pets. Right? Yes. This is 50% off last chance clearance. All of this is 50% off. I don't know. Yep, this is too. This stuff is. Oh God, I was sweat to death in that Velcro velour. I was sweat like crazy in there. Okay, so they got all kind of squishies. You want to come here and try the 50% off stuff? Would be perfect. Okay, here we starting with our journals and stuff. Now, first one I saw was one that say you deserve this. Perfect for a journal, guys. Start doing your journals, like plans. Here, DIY personal. This a planner set, like so you could really just create your own planner in here for $5. Then my happiness journal. Look at that, help build schools. What? Oh, so everyone you buy it, they donate some money to a school. It's a good idea. Here is another one where you could. It's getting stuff done. A weekly planner. You could build that. So here's one. That's nice too. I wish they had one something out for guys, cause guys do planners too. My husband, he think his brain brilliant, so he don't. Okay. Now here are dry erase boards. This, oh, that was a piece of plastic, guys. That's why I sit in there. So all of these little things to do inside, okay? Diaries and journals. So this is pens to go in them. All type of markers, pencil pouches, filler paper. Here is the chalk calendar that you could keep, that you could change whenever you want to. Good idea. And here's that. What is that? Those are erasers. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look at that. And these like got a feel to them. They're kind of galore. Here's a here's a clipboard with a memo pad and sticker. So if you one of those people, like my sister, one of those people, her journals I notice have clipboards on the outside of them all the time, and she like swear by her journal, by her clipboard, her planners, all of that. Okay, and here's another a premium journal right here, soft touch. It feels so good. Okay, here's one right here, say notes. And then here's for the guys, just a little planner right here. That's a 2020. I know they crazy. And here's one say 2021. I hope I've been showing y'all some that say 2020. 2021 on them. Here's more little stuff for your room and bathroom. Oh, that's cute. I think that'll go cute on the wall. A little Zen garden. Here is a vanity light. Now, I think I showed you guys that. That's a good idea too. Here's weights, 3-pound weights, guys, up in here for $5. You can get weights up in here. You can get cardio ropes, core performers. That thing, I saw that before. That thing hurt like crazy. Yeah, you pull it, I'm scared I might pop myself in the face. So, okay, so, oh, the slimmer belt. Yeah, I tried that. It didn't work. This is called a Pilates ring. Oh, okay. So, I wonder how to use that. If I find out how to use it, I'll be back to get it. It's a Pilates ring. Okay, a weighted jump rope. I did this and it was fun. Okay, this is a medicine ball. 8 pounds. I had one of these. They work fantastic. Is this a water dumbbell? No, this is just an 8-pound dumbbell. Okay, you can grab a couple of those. Perfect. So the calendars are $3 right now. You got the Justice League. And I do need to grab my boys a calendar because they always ask me about the days of the week. Okay, look at this. Keep it sassy. It's like punching somebody in the face all the time. This is sarcasm. Now, this calendar don't have anything on it, which I don't want that type of calendar. Here's another one. Calendar, say 5 nights at Freddy, a 16-month calendar. So I grabbed 3 calendars at $3 a piece, guys. I guess it's one more calendar over here called Riverdale. I never heard of that, but I think it's a movie. But as you can see, guys, those calendars going like crazy. These are all marked down, 50% off. This is considered Christmas, so it's all on a markdown right here. So this whole aisle is everything in this aisle. If it was $1, it was 50 cents. If it was $5, it was $2.50. So everything in here is marked down. Ain't that nice? Yes, this is great. All of their stuff is marked down completely. And they got wrapping paper that's actually $1 a piece now. Then I got masks. Okay, they're $1. Masks are actually $1 now, which is great. You could grab those constantly. Like, I never stop picking up masks. Then they got, what's that, Prime Core or something for that. They have those. And they got these right here. Okay, guys, so that'll be it. That'll be it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Calendars, planners, and everything else. Okay, guys, so that's 5 below. And we will be I'll see you all in the next video. Look for more calendars, wall decor, and journals because you want to start your year off right. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, share this channel, guys. Bye.